teachers, in this video I'll guide you what are the extra features you can use on the assignment. So we will first open the assignment. For example, this was the assignment, and you can see that this is the question paper which you shared with the students, and you can see all the submissions. Now, in case you want to grant somebody an extension, for example, you get students who tell you that they could not submit the answer sheets within a time span, and you want to give them some extension, some kind of relaxation. So to do that, for example, this was a student whom you want to give some extra time to work. So you can just go to him and just press on the edit and press on update. Press on grant extension. Now scroll down and you can see that you can here give the extension due date, and for example, I give them an extension of 9th. You can see that the student has been given extension till 9th of October. So that means that you can allow only this student or a specific set of students to submit their answer sheets later on as well. Okay, so this was one of the options. Now teachers, in case whenever you get all the answer sheets uploaded from the students here, and you want to simply download the answer sheet, so you can just select all, right, and you can simply come at the bottom and press with selected, download selected submissions. So this will, once you do this, you will download a zip file which has all the kind of answer sheets which the students have submitted inside it. So this was one option. Now teachers, the third option, what you can also do is, if you want to get the gradings of the students. For example, you want to download an Excel sheet in which you get to see all the marks of the students mentioned on it. So for that, you have to go to the top of the page and press on the choose and press on view gradebook. The moment you do that, you will see a new kind of page, and just press on the import and press on the export. Press on the export and press on the Excel spreadsheet. And here you can see all the exams which you have taken in the past. So if you want to download all the marks for all the students for all the tests, then you can just press on the download button, or else you can just select none and press on the specific homework or the test which you want to download marks for. So for example, this one, and press on download. Once you do that, you will be able to download the Excel file with the marks of this particular homework or assignment which you have given. So that's how you download the the entire Excel sheet. So I can go back again to my same assignment, and let us see what all other things we can do. View all submission. Now, in case you want to attach some, put on some filter, you can go on filter, submitted students. To see all the submitted students, only one student has submitted. To see all the other not submitted students, granted extension students, requires grading students. So all of that can be done over here. One more interesting feature over here is that, for example, if you now want to lock the student submission and you don't want him that he can attach any more answer sheets, so you can just check mark on this one and press on the lock submission. So here, once you do that and press on go, the student will not be able to attach or change the assignment which he has already submitted. If he still has time, he cannot modify whatever he has submitted. So by that, you can just press on lock submission and press on go. You can see that lock all submitted selected, yes, and that's all it is done. Right? So these are different features teachers you can use while you are taking the test. It will be very handy for you and important to use. Well, thank you so much for watching teachers. Have a great day. Bye bye.